The primary objectives of Digital India is to ensure that every citizen has access to technology. It focuses on three key versions. First, digital infrastructure as a core utility, providing high-speed internet, Aadhaar-linked services, and digital identity. Second, governance and services on demand, making government services accessible to the click of a button. Third, digital empowerment of citizens through digital literacy, online platforms, and e-learning opportunities. In a simple words, the goal is to bridge the gap between the rural and the urban and to create an India where technology is for all. B-Role, e-governance portals, online classes, Aadhaar, BharatNet, and rural digital centers.
Digital India is more than just a government program. It is a vision of an empowered, inclusive, and innovative nation. By combining the technology with human potential, India is not only catching up with the world but also setting new benchmarks. As journey continues, the dream is clear to create a digitally inclusive India where innovation drives growth and technology connects every citizen. The future is digital, the future is India.
Challenges. But with great progress come great challenges. Digital India faces hurdles such as digital divide. Millions in rural areas still lack access to stable internet. Cybersecurity threats. With rapid digitalization, data privacy and online fraud have become major concerns. Digital illiteracy. Not all citizens are equipped to use new technologies efficiently. Infrastructure gaps. Connectivity in remote villages and hilly terrains is still limited. Despite these challenges, India is moving forward with initiatives like 5G rollout, artificial intelligence adoptions, blockchain in governance, and smart city projects, paving the way for a stronger digital future.
In the 21st century, India is not just a land of culture and tradition, but also a rising hub of digital transformation. With the launch of the Digital India initiative in 2015, the nation has set its sights on becoming a digitally empowered society and a knowledge economy. From online banking to telemedicine, from e learning to UPI payments, technology is redefining how India lives, learns, and grows.